बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अमेरिका के और वेस्ट के मुमताज़ नौजवान आलिम मौलाना मुफ्ती वसीम ख़ान साहब हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। इंशाअल्लाह इनसे कुछ गुजारिश करते हैं कि कुछ नाज़रीन के लिए कुछ पेश फरमाएँ। मक्का मुकर्रमा में मौजूद हैं। जज़ाकल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is a blessing to be around the holy city of the Haram, and along with its blessing to meet the people of Allah and to meet the people who are righteous is something that's highly remarkable. There is a narration of the Sahaba that when they used to go and traverse and go into the different lands, they used to say, Allahumma rzuqna jalisa salih. May Allah give us some righteous company, give us some good company. And when a person is in the haram, it has its own nur and barakah. However, when it comes with the element of having the righteous people around you, the love of Allah, the guidance of Allah, the suhbah and nur that you have, it automatically starts enveloping inside you and it starts growing. There's a famous saying that says, "Jo khasiyat aaki hai, wahi khasiyat ishqi hai. Ek khana bakhana, ek sina basina." Hakim Akhtar rahimahullah, famous quotation of his. He says that if you want to grow the love of Allah in your heart, if you want to grow the love of Allah in your heart, and the quality of the love of Allah is remnants to the same quality of fire. When a fire burns one object, then it burns the secondary, third, fourth, and the whole village gets burned down. It starts from one house. The same way is with the love of Allah. And that is why they say, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu taqullah. O you who believe, have taqwa. That's the easy part. The maintenance of taqwa is the difficult part. Getting the taqwa, coming to the Kaaba, doing the tawaf, crying, that's easy. But maintaining it is difficult. Allah says, وَكُونُوا مَعَ الصَّادِقِينَ, and be with the righteous. That is the remedy and the solution to grow the taqwa that comes. And lastly, one last sentiment that comes to my mind is when you come around Makkah, and it's hard to envision yourself, but you have to take a moment to just drop away from everything and see the city for what it was thousands of years ago. And you imagine the sacrifice of Ibrahim alayhi salam when he comes and he sees this land that has nothing inside it. And then he calls upon Allah and he says, وَادٍ غَيْرَ ذِي زَرْعٍ. My Allah, I have put my family in a land that nothing grows. But then he does a dua that, oh Allah, Allahumma rzuqhum min al-thamarat. Give them vegetation and fruits. But wait, you just said that this land doesn't grow. And then you're doing dua for fruits. So he set the bar that he asked for the impossible in the land to show that there's nothing impossible in this land. Whatever you ask Allah, Allah will grant you. Jazakallah khair. And it's been an honor and blessing to see our beloved Maulana Sahib. May Allah accept the efforts that he does, the work that he does, bringing the ulama together at all given time, whether it's in England or whatever part of the world it is in. There's always people around him that he's reminding them, motivating them, and encouraging them, guiding them affectionately. And it's truly a blessing to have someone like this in your life. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.